Hello friends, welcome to New Melon Kids. Today we are becoming water explorers. We're going to test different objects to see if they sink or float. Before we begin, can you guess which objects will float and which ones will sink? Let's find out together. First, let's look at what we need. We'll need a bowl of water. We'll need plastic bowl, sponge, rubber duck, leaf, stone, apple, plastic spoon, plastic fork, and bottle top. We'll also need paper and crayons. Remember, always do water activities with an adult nearby. Before we put the objects into the water, let's make predictions. Do you think the ball will sink or float? Scientists make predictions before they test things. Today we are little scientists. Why do you think some objects float while others sink? Objects that are lighter for their size often float. Objects that are heavier or denser often sink. Now it's time to be artists. Can you draw the objects that floated? Can you draw the objects that sank? So now we are going to draw the objects that sank and the objects that floated on the water. Come on friends, let's draw together. Today we learned some amazing science words. Float, sink, predict, observe, test. Say each word slowly and repeat until you learn it. This activity helps children explore the world around them, learn new words, think and solve problems, improve drawing skills, build confidence through investigation. Great job, water explorers. Tell us in the comments which object surprised you the most. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with friends. See you in our next fun learning adventure. Bye, everyone.